In this video, we are going to create an expert advisor that uses the Accelerator Oscillator Indicator to determine if the current market condition is bullish or bearish and display that information directly on the chart. Let's see how we can do that. We start Metaeditor by clicking the little icon in the toolbar or by pressing F4 on our keyboard. This opens the Metaeditor window where we can create new expert advisors and indicators. The first thing we need to do is create a new expert advisor file. We click on File, then New, select Expert Advisor, give it a name like SimpleACIndicator, and click through the wizard until we have our basic template. Now we need to modify the OnTick function, which is called every time a new tick arrives. This is where our main logic will reside. Inside the OnTick function, we start by creating an array to store price data. We declare a dynamic array of type double called myPriceArray. The empty square brackets indicate this is a dynamic array that can be resized as needed. Next, we define the properties for our Accelerator Oscillator Indicator. We use the IAC function, which creates an instance of the Accelerator Oscillator Indicator. The parameters are underscore symbol, which represents the current symbol of the chart, and underscore period, which represents the current time frame. This function returns an integer handle that we store in the variable IAC definition. After defining the indicator, we need to prepare our array to receive data in a specific order. We use ArraySet as series with the parameters myPriceArray and true. Setting the second parameter to true means the array will be indexed from the current candle backwards, so index 0 will be the current candle, index 1 will be the previous candle, and so on. This makes it easier to work with recent price data. Now we copy the indicator values into our array using copy buffer. The parameters are IAC definition, which is our indicator handle, 0, which represents the first buffer of the indicator, the main line, 0, which is the starting position from the current candle, 3, which means we want to copy 3 values starting from the current candle, and myPriceArray, which is our destination array where the values will be stored. Once we have the data in our array, we extract the current value. We create a float variable called IAC value and assign it the value from myPriceArray at index 0, which corresponds to the current candle's accelerator oscillator value. Finally, we display the information on the chart using conditional statements. If IAC value is greater than 0, we use the comment function to display the text IAC is long followed by the actual value. This indicates a bullish market condition. If IAC value is less than 0, we display IAC is short followed by the value, indicating a bearish market condition. The comment function displays this text in the top left corner of the chart. After writing all the code, we press F7 to compile the expert advisor. The compilation process checks for any syntax errors and creates the executable file that can be used in Metaeditor. If this was too fast for you, or if you don't understand what all the code is doing, you might want to check out the premium course on our website, or watch one of the basic videos first to get a better understanding of MQL programming concepts. Once compilation is successful, we go back to Metaeditor by pressing F4 or clicking on the Metaeditor icon. In Metaeditor, we press Ctrl and R to open the strategy tester. Here we select the expert advisor we just created, enable the visual mode checkbox to see the chart during testing, and start a strategy test. When the test runs, we should see our expert advisor on the chart displaying either IAC is long with the positive value or IAC is short with the negative value, depending on the current market conditions. If you are already a premium course member and have an idea for a video like this one, you can send us an email with your suggestions. In this video, we have learned how to create an expert advisor that uses the Accelerator Oscillator Indicator to determine market direction. We have coded an expert advisor that displays whether the current IAC value is positive, bullish, or negative, bearish, directly on the chart using just a few lines of MQL code. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.